Lesson number 5, Evolution of Mankind. Okay, Standard 5th. Today we are going to learn about lesson number 5, Evolution of Mankind. Okay, History, lesson number 5, Evolution of Mankind. So today we are going to see how the human species were evolved. Okay, how did the evolution take place? Okay, from Homo habits to Homo sapiens. Okay, Homo sapiens and Homo sapiens and civilization. Okay, in the previous lesson we learned that the primitive man evolved from apes. Okay, the next step for human was learning to use their hands effectively to make tools. Okay, now the next step, okay, for the humans, okay, the next step for humans was learning to use their hands. Okay, the use of their hands to make the effective tools. Okay, so today we are going to see how the human species were evolved. Okay, what is evolution? Okay, the process by which different kinds of living organisms believed to have developed. Okay, the different kinds of living organisms, they were developed from their earlier forms, okay, during the history of the earth. So that is evolution. Okay, the process by which different kinds of living organisms, okay, the different kinds of living organisms, how they were developed, okay, from the earlier forms. Okay, from the earlier forms during the history of the earth. Okay, means evolution means the gradual development of something. Okay, so we will continue with the lesson. Okay, from Homo habilis to Homo sapiens. Okay, now skilled human. Okay, who is called the skilled human? Okay, skilled human, skilled manpower, it refers. Okay, skilled human, what do you mean by skilled human? It refers to the manpower. Okay, refers to the person who is trained. Okay, what do you mean by skilled? skilled किसे कहा जाता है? ओके, skilled किसे कहा जाता है? a skilled person who is trained. Okay, he is well trained. Okay, उसे पूरी ट्रेनिंग दी गई है. ओके, ही इज़ वेल ट्रेन्ड, वेल एजुकेटेड, एनर्जेटिक, एक्सपीरियंस्ड. ओके, experienced. Okay, and is capable of doing any specific kind of work. Okay, he is capable. Okay, he is capable of doing any kind of work in a balanced way. Okay, in a balanced way and effectively. The work is to be done effectively, efficiently. So that is skilled human. Okay, understood what is skilled human? A skilled human, okay, a skilled person who is trained, well educated or energetic, or he is experienced in whatever qualities, okay, the work he is doing, and is capable of doing any specific work in a balanced way. ओके, पूरी समानता से जो वो काम कर रहा है, इट शुड बी इन अ balanced way and efficiently. Okay, that is called skilled human. So now we'll see in details. Okay, the species of humans who could use their hands skillfully is known as skilled human. Okay, the species of human, जो आदमी, okay, he can use their hands skillfully, is known as skilled human. Okay, the first evidence of this species was found in the border region. Okay, the evidence, the first proof, evidence यानी कि proof, the first evidence of this species was found in the border region. Okay, border यानी कि boundary, the border region between Tanzania and Kenya in the continent of Africa. Means the first species was seen in the continent of Africa. Okay, where it was seen in the border region of Tanzania and Kenya. The scientist Louis Leakey, who discovered this species, named it Homo habilis. Okay, now the scientist who discovered this species, his named it Homo habilis. Okay, क्या नाम दिया उन्होंने? ही नेम दैट ही विल बी होमो हैबिलिस. ओके, बिकॉज बिसाइड देयर fossilized remains. Okay, his fossils were remained. Okay, he found some tools made by them. Okay, he had find the tools made by them. In Latin, homo means man. Okay, now in Latin, homo means man and habilis means the one who uses his hands skillfully. Okay, now here the meaning is given of homo habilis. Okay, who is called the homo habilis? Okay, now homo means man and habilis यानी कि the one who uses his hand skillfully, he is known as homo habilis. Okay, homo habilis could stand on 2 feet and walk. So here is an picture given here, or reconstructed picture of homo habilis. Okay, you can see the picture in the textbook given there. Okay, you can see the picture. His होमो हैबिलिस कुड स्टैंड ऑन 2 feet यानी कि वो अपने दोनों पैरों पर खड़ा हो सकता है एंड वॉक. ओके, वो चल सकता है. ओके, हिज स्पाइन वॉज स्लाइटली बेंट एंड नॉट क्वाइट इरेक्ट. ओके, हिज स्पाइन, ओके, हिज स्पाइन was slightly bent. Okay, you can see in the picture his spine, उसकी जो पीठ है वो थोड़ी स्लाइटली बेंड हो चुकी है एंड क्वाइट एंड नॉट क्वाइट इरेक्ट यानी कि वो पूरी तरह से स्ट्रेट नहीं है एंड नॉट क्वाइट इरेक्ट. हिज ब्रेन वॉज बिगर देन दैट ऑफ द एप्स. ओके, हिज ब्रेन, ओके, हिज ब्रेन वॉज बिगर than that of the apes, although his face and limbs were somewhat similar to theirs. Okay, means their face and limbs, okay, face and limbs was similar to the apes. The stone tools made by Homo habilis were not useful for hunting big animals. Okay, the stone tools, okay, the stone tools made by Homo habilis, okay, were not useful for hunting big animals. Okay, जो उन्होंने stone tools बनाए थे, okay, for hunting the animals, it was not that useful to hunt the big animals. Okay, they had limited uses such as scraping meat from the skin of dead animals or breaking bones to get the marrow. Okay, they were not useful, okay, to hunt the big animals. It was for only the limited use. उसका यूज उसका एक यूज होता था. ओके, द स्टोन टूल्स विच दे वर मेड बाय द होमो हैबिलिस, उनका एक लिमिटेड यूज था. ओके, फॉर स्क्रैपिंग मीट फ्रॉम द स्किन, ओके, और डेड एनिमल्स और ब्रेकिंग बोन्स टू गेट द मैरो. We can infer from this that Homo habilis was a forager. Okay, he ate the leftover of animals that had been hunted by other animals. So what he used to eat? He used to eat the leftover of animals. Okay, he used to eat the leftover यानी कि जो बचा हुआ खाना था animals का. He used to eat the leftover of animals that had been hunted by other animals. Okay, it is possible that he hunted small animals and gathered eggs, wild fruits and roots to eat. So what he used to eat? He used to hunt small animals. वो छोटी जानवरों को मारकर खाते थे. Okay, it is possible that he hunted small animals and gathered eggs. Okay, अंडे इकट्ठा करता था. एंड वाइल्ड फ्रूट्स एंड रूट्स, ही यूज टू ईट रूट्स. ओके, अंडरस्टूड एवरीबडी? सो नाउ द नेक्स्ट, होमो इरेक्टस. ओके, होमो इरेक्टस. Homo erectus marks as an important stage in human evolution. Okay, now Homo erectus, it is also an important stage of human evolution. Okay, erectus means the one who stands erect. So you can come to know. Okay, you can come to know. Okay, okay, you can come to know that Homo erectus. Okay, you can come to know from the word Homo erectus. Erectus means straight. Okay, erectus means straight, the one who stands erect, hence the name Homo erectus. So the word is derived from the word, okay, erectus यानी कि to stands erect, to stand straight. Compared to Homo habilis, he had a more developed brain. Okay, now Homo erectus. Homo erectus had a डेवलप ब्रेन. ओके, उसका ब्रेन जो है वो डेवलप हो चुका था. ओके, ही वॉज डेवलप्ड. ह्यूमन्स ऑफ द होमो इरेक्टस स्पीशीज लिव्ड इन ग्रुप्स. ओके, दिस स्पीशीज होमो इरेक्टस स्पीशीज लिव्ड इन groups. Okay, so this was the introduction for the Homo erectus, and in the next YouTube video we will see about the Homo erectus and Homo neanderthals. Okay, Homo neanderthals and Homo sapiens. Okay.